An investigator's testimony took center stage in the murder trial happening in St. Lawrence County Court. Adam Smith accused of killing Ronald Huck Durham and William Freeman in February and March of 2023, respectively. Covering court again tonight, 7 News reporter Chad Charette.
When court resumed Thursday morning, State Police forensic investigator Daniel Haley was still on the stand. His recounting of a search performed on the suspect Adam Smith's truck quickly took center stage.
Investigator Haley recounted searches of Frederick Wing's Gouverneur residence, the home of suspect Adam Smith, and detailed the autopsy of Ronald Huck Durham. The courtroom heated up when discussion zeroed in on his search of Smith's brown Ford F-150. Smith's truck was impounded by the Cortland Police Department on February 11, 2023, the day Durham is believed to have been murdered. Haley and his team looked through the truck on March 8th. Their investigation turned up several receipts for items including a nearly $800 keepsake ring from Walmart and Apple gift cards purchased with $500 cash at a Sandy Creek Dollar General. The gift cards themselves were also present. According to Tuesday's testimony, that purchase was allegedly made with blood-soaked bills. While evidence was being shown, investigator Haley pointed out what he believed to be bloodstains in a photo he'd taken of the truck's front driver's side floor mat. Haley also confirmed the truck's treads were, quote, consistent with tracks he saw at the cemetery crime scene where Huck Durham was murdered.
When we left the courtroom, Haley was going over items that were found in trash bags located in the back of Smith's truck. Some of them, like a set of seat covers, a checkbook, and a wallet containing Huck Durham's name, had suspected bloodstains on them. A knife was also found in the bag. The trial will continue throughout the week. Chad Charette, 7 News.